to do a fired up video of the Yanmar here. You can hear it run. Runs like a top. I got to charge the battery up because I got to rebuild. I'm going to put new brushes in the alternator. But it runs great. Throttle runs like a sewing machine, and I got it running off the battery right now. So pull your bar up. There's your swing right there, left and right. Forward, extend, back on the left joystick, on the right. You gotta open your bucket, you close your bucket, left and right, and then forward is up and down on the boom. Pretty simple. There's your locomotion, tank drive, as you can see. You can also drive it with your feet, and you can also do your swing with your foot there. Nothing under that one. There's a locking pin under here where you can lock it down where it won't turn, where it won't swing on the chassis. And the only other thing is, this is your blade, front blade. So we just rebuilt this cylinder here. I took it off and had it rebuilt, that top one there. And it is doing great, thanks to Toby. This one's been rebuilt. It's only got 5 on it. We got one under here, which is going to need to be rebuilt one day. And I just picked this one up from the shop right here. You can see right there, which is working great. Thanks, Toby. Good thing you got steel toe boots on. I just got through putting that back on, reworking the hydraulic lines on it. It's going to get pressure washed and painted up and cleaned up. It's an 06. It runs great. Hell, even the lights work. Had the thumb welding on it about 6 years ago. Did a great job on the weld there. You can see, adjustable. I just need to pound that out right there, that bolt, so I can adjust that easier. But it runs like a top. See, I don't know if you can hear me or not, but the baby alternator is down in there, that little guy right there. It's about that big. This thing will run for days on just a regular battery, which is in here. Just a regular little Walmart battery. The only thing is starting it. You know, it takes a little bit to start it because it is a 3-cylinder diesel. The bottom side, counterweight, but this thing is awesome. Hydraulic tank here, so I didn't need to put some more in because we sprung a leak the other day on the cylinders. Gas tank, I mean, it's over full right now. It was over full, and we ran it all day long the other day, and as you can see, it's on full now. So it's a good runner. I've been waiting for 2 years to get her back up and going. And so anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. That's a video on the B27 Yanmar 2006 excavator. Just as fun as it can be running this. It's cool. You can also use your foot here to go. I don't like to do that. I like to use my hands. And like I said, here's your blade. It's all the way down on the throttle right now, and it's effortless for it. It's just, this thing's It's fun to run. As long as you don't run into something. Like that right there. But I mean, it's just, the controls are just so sweet. I've run Yales, Toyotas, Cats. I think this is probably the sweetest running one ever. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll have some more for you coming up. Maybe we'll put us a cooler on top. There's some speakers up here. We'll see. Probably will. Definitely need a beer holder, because that don't cut it right there. There's your hours. Hardly got any hours on it. Thanks for watching.